So would it be in that period that we would see the Ice Age, for example?
Yes, that's ironically, the Ice Age turns out to be, in our modeling, a consequence of the heating of the water during the flood. And the process of cooling the water to recover the Earth's water temperatures to what they were before, if you wish, the air conditioner for that generated the Ice Age.
So we have the heated water from the flood, but now in this post-flood era, that heated water now is generating a lot of atmospheric issues.
It's generating a lot of water. Water is evaporating off the oceans. That cools the oceans. The water is then moving over the continents and dropping enormous volumes of water on the oceans, producing huge lakes. Lakes, for example, that would fill up and then burst through their dams and produce something like the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
So you got lakes like this all over the world. Now, in certain places, the oceans are going to cool enough that the rain's going to come down as snow, but coming down so rapidly and without break that it can't melt and accumulates into thick sequences of ice, centered on the Hudson Bay and centered on Antarctica, until they're miles thick. And then when the oceans had cooled enough that rain generation system had stopped, then those glaciers then collapse under their own weight, melt back to the current position, and they're continuing to melt. You know, this thing, global warming, it's recovering. The Earth is still recovering from the flood. It's still recovering from the ice consequences that came from the cooling of the oceans following the flood.